In today's tech video, we are going to unbox and show you guys in detail this thing right here. This is the Caseling Blue Yeti carrying case. That's today's video. Before we begin, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified for future videos. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So today's tech video, we are going to do a little unboxing of a carrying case I recently purchased on Amazon for my Blue Yeti. Now my Blue Yeti is that microphone right there. So I'm in a particular season where I'm taking my Blue Yeti and I'm traveling with it from week to week. Well, what I was doing is I was taking it and just putting it into a like a bag that I had, and I was like, oh man, this thing's gonna get damaged when it's clinging around and clanking with some of these other electronic devices that I had in the bag. So I hopped on Amazon and bought a carrying case that had a really good rating on it, because I'm a big guy who reads all the ratings whenever I buy something on Amazon. I'm sure a lot of you guys are that way as well. So we're going to review the case that I ended up deciding on, which is by a company named Caseling. So let's go ahead, unpackage it, and then we'll get my Blue Yeti off the shelf and get it put into the case to show you guys how it fits, how it works, and what it looks like. Let's do that now. Okay, now that we got it unpackaged here, I was surprised to see how the foam just popped out of the top like that, but I will go ahead and pull my Blue Yeti off the shelf there and get it put in. As you can see, I do a different kind of camera setup here. Everybody does it differently, but I'm using my iPhone to film the hand portion of the close-ups on the case, and then I use my Canon M50 here to record the talking head portion. But let's go ahead and get that microphone off and put it in there to see how it fits. Alright, so let's fold this thing, and alright, you fold it like this and you tighten that screw here and it keeps it nice and tight. I learned that the hard way by letting it bang on the metal there one time, but see how well it fits right in the grooves. Yeah, just like that. Just slides right in there. Let's see what it feels like once we close it up, zip it up. All right, so when I shake it, it feels like it's pretty secure in there. I don't really feel it moving around. So it's got a little bit of weight to it because it is a kind of a heavier microphone, but it's got this nice branded handle at the top here. The zippers zip really nice and smooth. Doesn't feel like they'll get hung up at all. Nice and smooth there. You open it up, there you go. It's got a little spot here where I can put my charging cable for it. Probably my USB micro or my micro USB cable right in there. Yeah, there's not really a whole lot that I pack whenever I travel this microphone. So really just the cable and then this microphone here. But I think this will protect it, keep it in good shape, because I mean, you invest a lot of money in these microphones, you want them to last a while, and this is one way that you can do that. So the thickness on this particular looks like it's about 2.5 inches there. So it's a thick padding. It's a nice kind of a hard but soft shell also, if that makes any sense. Yeah, I think it'll do a good job protecting this microphone, especially for the price that it is. It's a good investment to protect your microphone. Okay, so that was the unboxing of this Caseling Blue Yeti carrying case. Comment down below if you're going to get this case, and if you are interested in getting it, I will have a description for this in the comment or in the description down below of where you can get it on Amazon. It's got a really good rating on Amazon. I think you guys can't go wrong with this. I know they make different kinds of brands of cases that make a case for this microphone, but this one seems to work all right. I mean, it's not rocket science, it's not rocket science. You just need a case to carry around your microphone, but I think this one is a good one. So I'm giving it 2 thumbs up on this. But if you like this video, make sure you give it 2 thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. So until then, be creative.